He's taking a right. Oh, shoot. We're mowing the lawn. We're mowing the lawn.
Just made a right on Sam Street. The traffic is light. Weather is light. 90 miles an hour. Now we're making a left onto Sacking. We're in hot pursuit. Weather is still beautiful and
Oh, dang. Here we go again.
taking a sharp left. Taking another sharp left onto Main Street. Right onto Smith. We're in complete pursuit.
Whoa. Same spot.
We double back. We're in right on. We're making another sharp left. As the chase has ended. Everyone's safe.
Oh, bonus action there, didn't we?
Yeah.